Hi.
过年好。
新年快乐.
Well, it's Chinese New Year. This is our first time ever being invited to a Chinese family's home for Chinese New Year.
It makes it way more exciting. We were just gonna sit and like order some dumplings.
I feel like we've made it big time now. So we're headed to Tony's house. I'm sure we're gonna eat a lot of food and just hang out and party hard.
I just can't wait for the, what do they call it? The Wanhui, the TV show.
No.
It's my favorite. 春节联欢晚会.
You really like it, Chan?
Yeah, like for us, it's like the Super Bowl halftime show, but it just goes on for like
But we
8
have no
hours.
idea what's happening.
I just think it's interesting.
It is interesting.
I waited outside. I took your remote. I wanted a bed. Tell the story or it goes. Tell the story or it goes. Full time you talk your money up while it's living in a coal mine. Told time to call your ma. Hey ma, hey ma. Told vote you know you mope it up.
Can you throw him, Winnie?
Wanted it to hold that. You're back and forth with that.
Stop!
I waited outside. I was toking on dope.
No!
I hope that it'll go in a minute. And the past, you know. I
Stop!
wanted all that brown sugar. I wanted all mine. I had a heavy mind, sugar. I took it, it was right. Full time, you talk your money up while it's living in a coal mine. Told time to call your ma. Hey ma,
Are you
hey
kidding
ma.
me? You are the worst.
Told folks you know
There are
you
certain
mope
people
it
that
up.
shouldn't be
Well,
parents.
you wanted it to hold that.
Stop!
You're back and forth with
His booty, Winnie. Oh my gosh.
And you'd offered up the truth.
Winnie,
Calling up the window to the wall.
stop.
From dusk till dawn. Let me talk to mom. Full time you talk your money up while it's living in a coal mine. Told time to call your ma. Hey ma, hey ma.
漂亮。对，真漂亮。
And I do that one.
真漂亮
Mom,
，Winnie。
can I have some? 我想看。天亮快乐，过年快乐好。一个小狗狗的，
小狗狗的，
对，小狗狗要吃饭饭。
对，吃饭饭。So loud, huh? Mimi, who gave you so much candy?
Tony's sister?
Tony's sister.
Yeah.
Tony's chichar.
Yeah.
Alright, time for dinner. Round 2, babies. Round 2. It's so loud.
What?
You're dead.
Grandma, you look hungry. Emery, easy on the soda.
Can I sit here?
You're not Chinese, so we have limits.
Are we doing that too?
Emery, you're way too big.
So if I fall, I just let go of the wall. But he doesn't get hurt.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
So, Chinese New Year is one of the best nights in China. What they do all night long, pretty much all night long, is do fireworks and then eat dumplings and stuff. And then they just party all night long. Always. 我们在中国每天
每天吗？
一个年一次，就是他们的春节。然后春节的月亮开了，然后他们就拿着这些东西，放在天上，然后就砰。
是什么东西？
这要怎么说？
怎么说？腾腾。
礼花，我们叫礼花。
礼花，烟花。
就是礼花，然后就每晚上，他们都所有的晚上，他们就砰砰砰砰砰，然后就完了。
怎么样？
好玩。
Dodo, come on.
Emery, come here.
Firework time.
Boom, baby.
We're gonna survive it?
Brenda bought the big mama.
Kind of, medium. You excited?
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed it forever, and everything was the same. Now my heart feel like December. Somebody say your name, 'cause I can't reach out to feel you, but I know I will one day. Yeah.
Do you like it?
No.
Did you like it?
Everybody else someday.
Yes.
Everything gon' be alright.
It was bigger than you thought.
Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring
Off, Manja. Bye, Brenna. Dodo.
See you later, suckers.
Memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I felt all of the hatred, lost the power for a start. Now my heart feels like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, 'cause you know I'll never drop. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you.
What did you put on your face? You love makeup, don't you?